Hey guys, I just have a quick video today. I finished getting my Pyromancer at Wintertodt, and in that process I ended up getting 300 crates that I opened up, 335 KC total, but here is the loot from 300 crates, and in my chat box I have some more information. I got about 2.33 drops per box, and so that is 665 points average for each box. You automatically get 2 drops always, as long as you get one. And then from 500 up to 1,000, you get a chance at another drop. And it's linear, so 665 would give you 2.33 drops. Yeah, so here is the loot, starting from the dwarf weeds down to here. So let's go ahead and price check all of that. And so here is the first inventory. We have 4.4 mil. And here's the second inventory, so 1.7. And I also got the hood, the top, the legs, the boots, 2 warm gloves. So that is the loot from 300 crates, or 700 total loots, which comes out to 2.333 repeating loots per chest. I also forgot to mention that I got 360k cash as well, so 0.036 added onto the total of that loot tab down here. In total, from 300 crates, I got 6.46 mil. And then also this video, I made a cool little program a little while ago that I can log my kills in. So here is 700 kills, or the 700 loots that I have logged. So this is kind of wrong kills per hour because I haven't added the feature of having 2 drops from a boss yet. So I was just counting each drop as a kill. And so I have everything logged. Over here to the side, it tells me the frequency of each drop based on how many times I've received that drop, divided by the total kills or total drops. And the interesting thing with this is I can simulate X amount of kills, and when it simulates the loot tab, it makes a table of however many kills I've done. So in this case, 700 is going to make a table of 700 slots. Then for Grimy Dwarfweed, I've received Grimy Dwarfweed drop 12 times, so 12 slots on that 700 table will be Grimy Dwarfweeds, and it will do that for each drop, and it will randomly roll a number on that table, and then whichever number or whichever drop is assigned to the random number it rolls, that's the drop it's going to pick. So basically it simulates how they are in the game. As far as the drops though, the more kills I have in here logged, the more accurate this is going to be. With 700 logged, this should be pretty accurate as far as common drops. The rarer drops such as the Wintertodt and the Pyromancer outfit, the Tome of Fire, the pet, that type of stuff, that stuff isn't going to be very accurate until I have like thousands and thousands of kills. So for this simulation, those are going to be off, but I don't think anyone cares too much about those since we already know the drop rates of those. But all of the other drops should be pretty common. Everything else should be pretty accurate with 700 kills. So we're going to go ahead and simulate 1 million kills. Alright, so we're going to simulate 1 million kills. And this is using the average I had earlier, so 2.33 drops for every kill, which means that we want to do 2.33. We'll just do 3 decimals, so it should be this. That would be 1 million kills. And there is the loot tab right here. I'm going to go ahead and make a picture of this so it's a little bit more visually pleasing and better to look at. And so in the tab of 1 million kills, it will be in the same order as I have here. So these are snaps, irrits, Corm, Lantidime, Avento, Quorum right there, some Cadentine, Dwarfweeds, and Draenor and Torstal down at the bottom with Magic right there. Everything else I think is pretty obvious what it is. And there it is. This is the tab for 1 million Wintertodt kills if you are a maxed player with 99 in every stat that matters for this. So this is based off of my log that I had, and the drop rates I got from that should be pretty accurate. Besides, the Tome of Fire is a little high, and the torches I am actually a little low on in this tab. But other than that, this should pretty much look like what a tab would look like if you were maxed and did 1 million kills. So quite a bit of money. I think it's around 20 bill. On my calculator or my program thing, I have to change something so I can get an accurate wealth estimation for these simulations. Right now it only goes up to basically the same as max cash in RuneScape, which wasn't enough for this, so got to fix that and for any future times I use this. But yeah, pretty interesting seeing what a tab would look like. I find it pretty interesting, which is why I made the program. So I hope you guys found this video interesting. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you in my next video.